Imagine a world where every student received a quality education. Picture a classroom where every student could discover how to unlock their potential. Think of the breakthroughs that would be achieved because of those students in the future. Children need proper attention to get the quality education they deserve. In Kenya, the student-teacher ratio is about 40-1 on average. As a result, kids do not receive the attention they need to develop basic skills such as reading and writing English, which is the national language of instruction and used on nationwide exams. This denies students a path towards higher education and upward mobility. To combat illiteracy, a method of instruction called teaching at the right level, also known as TARL, was developed by Pratham, an NGO in India. TARL has 3 steps. The first is assessment, where a student's initial reading level is identified. The second is grouping, where students learn how to read with classmates of similar ability. The third and final step is teacher instruction, where personalized materials are given to each group. According to Zizi Efik, an NGO in Africa, children enrolled in this program learn how to read in 30 to 50 days. TARL requires instructors to handle one-on-one assessments and develop personalized materials. In a classroom of 40 children or more, this is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Not all children can be reached equally or effectively. This is where Nyansapo comes in. Our team has created a digital TARL assessment with all of the features of the written test. Using a speech-to-text model and natural language processing, our app enables the TARL assessment to be administered without the need for one-on-one instruction. It speeds up test taking and data collection to allow teachers to do more of what they do best: teach.
Click on the button and read what you see.
Kenya,
Click and select a paragraph to read. Click on the paragraph to start reading. You can also click on change to change the paragraph.
our flag has 4 colors. We learn about them in school. They tell us about our country. We love our flag very much.
Read the story on the screen. Press next to move forward.
Juma reads to us a story from his book every day. He reads the story aloud in class. We enjoy listening to the story. Yesterday, he reads about the sun and the wind. Both of them lived in the same sky. The wind did not like the sun. He wanted to be the head of the sky.
Read the story on the screen. Press next to move forward.
One day, the wind chased the sun away. It told the sky to go to another sky. The sun did not go. The next morning, the wind ran after the sun. The sun fell down and started crying. That is how it began to rain. We clapped for Juma.
Answer the questions in the field provided above. You can also click on the question to voice out the answer.
Read stories. Sun fell down. Sun fell down.
Click on the button and read what you see.
Kenya,
and select a paragraph to read. Click on the paragraph to start reading. You can also click on change the paragraph.
Our flag has colors. We learn about the school, the tell us country, love, flag, march.
Click to select a word.
Able, thin, fist, shield, lion, mon,
Click to select a letter B.
T, P, F, R, N,
Moving forward, we want to use the assessment data that we collect to help teachers fulfill the next two stages of TARL, student grouping and personalized training. In order to implement student grouping, we will analyze our data in depth to group students with similar abilities. We will see what words they pronounced incorrectly, how long they took to read, and where they paused in order to more accurately put students together. This data will be readable by the teacher in order for them to create the best materials for each group. With your support, we can develop these tools and more to analyze assessment data to help teachers through every step of TARL. Together, we can provide teachers in Kenya with the tools to become more efficient and effective, reaching more students and helping them to become literate. For additional information about our team, our app, our technical work, please reference the accompanying documentation or please ask us questions. We would be more than happy to help. My name is Stanish Rastogi.
My name is Edward Amoa, and here is my team.